Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For the people who have already subscribed my channel, a hearty welcome back. And for the people who have recently found my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Padharthi Yashwardhan. I'm a network enthusiastic and network engineer who has a good knowledge in different types of electronic and have good amount of coding experience also. So now, in the previous, on this video, on this channel, you can then generally find videos related to Arduino, my embedded systems. You can find some videos related to HFSS and all. I've been making that series also. Apart from this, I have thought that as now many people have been in the final years and they will be undergoing their placements and all. So I have thought that every day I will be posting a video explaining any particular problem that I have solved using Python. So now today I will be starting with a very simple problem, very basic problem that I will be taking. It is a little bit new problem also to many of you, I assume. It is about the sponge case. What is this sponge case? You may ask me. So let's take, for example, let me take a text editor and let's say if I have an input like today is a today is sunny. This is the input string that I am having. In uppercase, what you do? We'll be converting each and every character into upper. In lowercase, you'll be converting each and everything into lower. Instead of explaining this, let me just type. If I give you this is my string, okay, string, and now I have told you that now I want to convert into uppercase, then the output will be today is sunny. Okay, let me once wait. Let's do one thing. Let me do this. Yeah, sorry. Let me arrange them in yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Never mind. Okay, today is sunny is the first input that we'll be taking, and then next I want to convert into uppercase. This will be in my uppercase value, right? Uppercase. If I want to convert the string in uppercase. If I want to convert into lowercase, this will be the same output. Now, in sponge case, what happens is that alternatively, it should be an upper lowercase. And if space is there, that space should also be included. For example, if I have today, D is small, A, the output will be like this, space, I is capital, small, S is small, space, again S is small, U is capital, now N is small, then capital N, and again small y. This is because due to the space it will be taking that. Here it is capital. Then the space it is considered as a character by the computer. So that will be converted into lowercase. And then it is again this. So let me just yeah. So that's how it is. This is the sponge case. Let's see. Sponge case. Yeah. This is the thing that we want to achieve. So now let us see how we can achieve this. So today it is, okay, I hope you have understood what is the objective of this thing. Now if anyone has already experience in using Python language, you can try this solution on yourself and then you can pause the video, try the solution and then proceed with my solution. So now how I will be doing this. So first I want to take input from the user. To do this, I will just write a simple command like input space. Input is a keyword in Python, which is an input function we can use. And I will say just I will write a small function like enter a string. Okay. And let me just restart the runtime. As I already tested this code a little bit number of times, I need to restart the timing. Now, yeah. Now let me execute this line and you can observe. Now the editor is asking me, what is your input string? Let's say My input string is today is sunny. Let's take today is a sunny day. This is my input, and I just press enter. You can observe now the editor it is taking the input from the user, but it is not storing it in some variable. It will be very good if it is able to store it in some variable. Right? To do that, just before you write the input function, let's say input underscore text is equals to this. Now, the main advantage is Python is you need not, when you are declaring any variable, you need not declare its data type. Automatically, Python, it takes the data type by itself. For example, if it is in C language, you should write you should write character, input text, brackets of, and some input string, right? Here there is nothing, you can directly keep the thing. Now let me execute this. You can observe, again if I give the same input as today is a sunny day and I click enter. Now what happened? It is not displaying the string. Instead, it is just storing it some input variable, input underscore thing. Now that if I want to print that, I just click on take another code snippet and write my input underscore text, and I just click enter. So you can see the thing is being displayed. That is whatever the string that I have stored in input underscore set that is being displayed. So now we have successfully completed the first part of taking an input from the user. Now let us create a function which which converts this into the sponge case. To do this, just take another code signal and I will just keep this code signal right to the out. And also let me just see this. The moment I change the order, you can observe some curly line is being displayed. This is because now as I already executed these two things, before first I have executed this string, so it has already know what is input underscore text is. Then I have executed this here. But now as I change the order, now it is not the Python it is not being able to understand what is this input underscore text. So now let us just again change the order back. Yeah. Now I want to create a function for this. So first I will write diff underscore. Let's give some function name as to sponge underscore case. Right, case. And it should take some input, right? Let's say I want to, let's say it's text. Yeah, text. So what is this here? The advantage or another advantage is now whenever you are defining any user function, you need not specify the what is the data it is being taken. By default, it will take whatever it is the thing. Next, I will click enter. Next, I want to now in order to store my output, I need to store the output in something, right? I will write result is equals to I have created some empty string in which I want to store my output. Next. Next we know, now I need to traverse to the host string and store each the index as well as what are the character. To do this, I will just write a command like for I, comma, char in enumerate and text. This is the thing. So what it does is, it takes my input string, it assigns the unique index to each and every character, and then it is storing the index number as well as what is the character in that. For example, if I give it today is a sunny day as my input, in zeroth index, T will be stored. In one index, zero O will be stored. Two index, D will be stored, and so on. So now I have assigned the tuple in which I am storing each the index as well as what is the character index. Now I need to check whether the index is even or odd. For doing that, I will just write a simple command like for I percentage 2 double equals to 0. I want to check if this condition is true. I want to whatever the character is there. available at that index, I want to convert into uppercase and store in result. To do that, I just say, sorry friends, sorry, just by mistake I have stopped the recording. So yeah, I want to store the result. So I just said result is equals to, I want to add the result. So just I will say plus is equals to whatever the at that index, whatever is the character that is stored in char dot, I want to convert into upper. So I just say use the function upper. That's it. That's it. It is as simple as that. Now, else if it is in odd position, then what should I do? I want to convert into locus. So doing the result plus is equals to char dot lower. Now, and once I have gone to the entire string, I want to return my result. So to do that, just I will go out of the for loop and I return my result. This is a simple thing. This is a simple code for this output. So what I have done is, first I have declared the input empty variable where I am storing my output string. Then I have created a tuple where I am storing the index as well as what is the character present at that index. Then I am checking whether the index is an even number or odd number. If it's in even position, I want to convert the character into uppercase. If it is an odd position, I want to convert it into lowercase. And once the entire string is being converted into SpongeCase, I want to just return the result. Now this code will work. Now let us go into the input section. We have taken the input and we have already checked the input. Next we want to send our input data to the function. To do that, just like let me create something like sponge underscore output. Let's say this is some output variable I am taking, and what is you have already seen what is this the name of our function, right? The function name. And in this function, I want to pass my input text. So input underscore text. That's it. Now, what it does is now what it will do this, and whatever the that is, it takes the input text and passes it to this function. It executes the function, and once the result has been written, that is being stored in sponge dot output, sponge underscore output. It is being stored. Now let us print this output. To do that, just I will take another code snippet and write print. I want the output. So let's say sponge case output output, and I want the output just like comma the thing like sponge underscore output. So it is very easy to get the output. Now let us run each and everything and we see the thing. So first let me run the first line. Next I will be asking the text. So sorry, today is a sunny day. That is the string. Now let's see whether the string is being stored or not. See, the string is stored. Now let me pass this thing to the output. Now let me print my output and let's see the value. See, that is the required output, right? So now I will paste this code in, I will keep the code in the description box as well as I will paste it in the first comment also. You can just execute this code in your own editor and you can see it. And you can give different types of inputs and also try it. Now friends, if you have, today I am recording with the earphones only. So if you are feeling my voice is a little bit high or if you are finding any disturbance in the voice, please uh, forgive me. Next thing is, and also do tell me your reaction to this series. If you are interested with this series, please tell me in the comments, give me a positive feedback in the comment so that I get motivated to do such series for you also. And also, if you want to see any particular video, You can keep the topic and you can explain your problem, and I make the video on that topic as well. Now, I hope friends you have gained a good understanding about this unique problem in Python. This is asked in some of the interviews, and sometimes in the coding program, this is being asked. So if you like this, please like this video and share it with your other friends also, so that they also get benefited. Thank you, friends, and thanks for listening to me, friends, and have a nice day. Bye.